Direct replacement. This HVAC heater blend door actuator fits and functions like the original equipment part on specified vehicles. Quality construction, durable plastic housing and motor circuit board. Excellent value, OE quality at a lower price. Vehicle tested, has undergone on vehicle testing to ensure proper fit and performance. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This HVAC heater blend door actuator is precision engineered to match the quality and performance of the original blend door actuator on specific vehicle years, makes and models. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Easy, inexpensive fix for broken Jeep Patriot Blend Door. My 2014 Jeep Patriot seemed to lose its heater. Looking a bit deeper, I found that the heat pipes under the dash were extremely hot. However, I noticed that the blend door mechanism was not moving when changing from cool to heat. Easy fix. Just unscrew the 2 Phillips screws and disconnect the wire harness and the old motor comes right off. Note: you must transfer the plastic arm on the old motor to the new motor, but this is easy. All in all, it was an easy fix and saved me $125 in dealer labor fees.